Okay, so next exercise natin, ma'am, ano po, bicep curls and skull crushers. So, mamaya yan. Bicep curls muna tayo. Set tayo ng weight, 5 to 10 pounds. Tapos, doing it, tayo tayo. Up and down. So, keep elbow close to your body. Then, squeeze, release. Okay? Pakita natin. So, from here, twisting motion. So, yan, parallel. Magkaharap yung kamay natin. Tapos, twist. Inhale down. Exhale up. Alright? So, important yung bicep curls natin para hindi magsasag yung skin ng arms natin kapag nag-loose na tayo ng fats, subcutaneous. Okay, so exhale up, inhale down. Exhale, inhale. So, enjoy na natin to kasi ito yung mga, ito yung day na medyo hindi ka masyadong mapapagod. Okay, so upper body workout yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, exhale, inhale down. Alright? So, after ng bicep curls natin, switch tayo sa skull crusher. Gagamit ulit tayo ng bench. Then, pakita natin.